Hi everyone, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be drawing a cell phone, a flip cell phone. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line for the bottom part of our cell phone. And then let's go ahead and draw a curved line up here. And now we want to make our cell phone look three-dimensional, so we're going to draw the side. Let's draw another curved line right over here. And now we're going to go above that area and draw another curved line here. Let's draw two curved lines here. Now we're going to go inside the cell phone and draw the keypads. And we're just going to add some arrows here inside the circle. And I'm just drawing ovals for the different buttons on the cell phone. Go all the way down and we're going to add 9 altogether. Okay, now we're going to go above and draw the top part of the cell phone, the screen. So again, we're going to draw a curved line right over here. And as always, if I'm going too fast, you guys can pause. Now let's make it look three-dimensional by adding another curved line right behind that line. And then we're going to draw the little antenna. And I'm just drawing a heart emoji on the screen. I just drew 2 hearts and a quick little smile. Let's draw a little thought bubble. I just used the letter V and a curved line. And you can write anything you want in here. I'm just going to write a simple hi. Okay, let's come back and see what the final version looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!